Hi, beautiful people. I am so excited to announce that finally we have hit 1000 subscriber, and this was not possible without your support. And I'm really very thankful for being a part of this journey. So let me just share my screen and show you $1,000 trick for your WordPress website, because I am building website and designing for over 6 years on the Fiverr as a freelancer. So let me share my screen and give you a beautiful and amazing surprise after I hit this milestone. Like I said, this video is surprise and bonus for WordPress website owners. So what you have to do, I am already here on my WordPress dashboard. Scroll down all the way and hover on the plugins and click on add a new plugin. And you have to install this plugin. If you are WordPress website owner or the blogger or whatever, you have the business and you have the WordPress website, you must have to download this plugin. It's called the Updraft Plus plugin, this plugin. Why I'm telling you to download this plugin? Because last month I got so many clients on the Fiverr to fix their website, and they have lost $1,000 sales per month because they got the error on their WordPress website, and it was hard to fix these error. So and they had no any backup. So what I'm telling you, if you are WordPress website owner, must download this plugin. You know why? Because this plugin is going to do the backup automatically for you for every day, on every month, and every week. So no matter whatever the plugin you're installing or your theme became the outdated, then you're going to have the backup. So you can restore the backup easily from the server. So you're going to get the website back, and then you can find out what was the reason the website got the error, and yeah, so it can be easily fixable. So what you have to do, just click on install now. That's why I am telling you, just install this plugin on your WordPress website right now and click on activate. Because whenever you are uploading or activating a new plugin, sometimes website going to get the conflict with this plugin, and you're going to get the error on your website. And it's really, some errors are very hard to fix, and sometimes it happen the plugin you are installing on your website and it is outdated, then automatically you're going to get the error on your website. So what this plugin is going to do, it's going to make the backup for you on your server. So whenever you hit the issue on your website, you have already the backup, so you can easily restore the backup and find out what was the plugin making this error. So yeah, it's very safe and sound to do that. Otherwise, if you're going to hire a developer, definitely is going to cost you a lot of the money. So after installing this plugin, I just came back again to the WordPress dashboard, and if we scroll down here, you have to hover on the settings and click on Updraft Plus Backups. And here you can do the settings that how you want to do the backup. So if I scroll down, and here you just have to click on the backup now. So once you just click on to backup, let me show you. Here there are so many things we can do that. If I click on here to migrate and clone, we can clone our website to another hosting. So it is very easy to transfer your website from one hosting to another hosting. Then if we're going to click on here to the settings, and then here you can see that file backup to schedule and retain this many schedule backup. So we can say that manually, or you're going to get the backup monthly or the weekly, fortnightly, daily, or every hour or every 4 hours. So what I will recommend, do it the backup weekly. Okay, if you have the good server, then you can do the daily as well, but weekly is also safe and yeah, it's good to do the backup weekly. So you have to do select these all the things, and then here you can select that, choose your remote storage. How do you want to backup to be stored? So maybe you want to do that somewhere here like the Updraft wallet or Dropbox. There are so many options, or FTP. Okay, so whatever the suitable is for you, just do that, and then click on the save changes. Okay, once it's done, there are also advanced tools, but we are not going there. So easily just click on to the backup here and click on to the backup now.
and yes, at that, yeah, includes everything, and just click on backup now. So it is just going to uh, download the backup for you. Then it's going to ask you if you want to save this backup on your computer or the storage. So yeah, this plugin is very amazing. So must download this plugin on your WordPress website. So whenever you're going to hit the error on your website, you can easily backup it without any headache. Okay, so here we have the already the backup. So if you want, we can just uh, upload the backup to like wherever you want. You can delete or restore that. Here you said download backup to your computer, and it is has already saved the backup on the server. So this plugin is really amazing, and please don't forget to install this plugin, because I know that how much this plugin is very important on WordPress website. Thank you for watching this video, and I am super excited for 1000 subscriber. And if you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. Bye bye for now. Thank you.